Man, there sure is a lot of fishy water here. Look at all these great spots. I'll bet there's a ton of fish here. How many times have you said that? I know I have a lot. Sure, it's tough to choose a good place to start, but knowing your tides will help you to catch more fish no matter where you're at. There are tons of online tide charts as well as predictors. Most of these sites are great for info, but local tide charts are best, and many tackle shops offer them up for free. Fish of all sizes love moving water. It makes it easier to feed and keeps water flowing across their gills. Now here in my hometown of Port St. Joe, we have a tide station right here by the canal, and at the mouth of the canal is a great fishing spot at the right tide. Your best bet is to fish the first couple hours on either side of the tide change, but tides can be affected by a few factors, mostly wind and river flow. What I like to do is position the boat on the edge of the deeper water and cast my bait up onto the flat and work it towards the deep, just as natural baits would do. It's critical to pay close attention to the water depth so as not to get stranded as the water goes out. I'll usually work my way into deeper water as the flat gets shallower. Now eventually you're going to get into a section where the flat rolls off into the deeper water, and towards the end of the outgoing tide, this will be the red zone. Fish of many species will be working all along that edge. So after the tide goes slack here, I'll head over to the tip of the cape, and then I can catch the last of the outgoing there. This is what we call chasing the tide. For incoming tides, I still like the edge of the channel if available, and of course, the sun at your back works best. Be sure to keep an eye out for other fishermen too. Birds, I mean. Terns and pelicans will be holding all around the bait school, perhaps the target species as well.